Hey there, Spiritual Plumber again. So if you go to buy a building, so I'm here to test the plumbing for this building to see exactly what all is wrong. Off the bat, I see that the water is not connected. There's plumbing here in the floor. It looks like it's been broke off. And of course, you know, all your fixtures are going to have to be replaced because they are just really nasty. And the plumbing for here, if you see, hold on, I'll put the light on. All right, the actual T that I guess that was running over to the other commodes, it's busted or froze off. The pipes that's going through here, they're bad, they're shot. Same way with this one. See there, the plumbing's been broke, frozen, busted, or destroyed, I'm not sure. That one as well. Nothing hooked up to the water. Right off the bat that there's plumbing leaning up against the wall here. And absolutely no water going to the urinals. No water to the urinal. The sink, no water going to it. And the same way with this. This is being froze or busted. Not sure what this one is. It's going through the wall. All right, in the kitchen area, we have a double sink, a hot water tank. Plumbing's broke off. And a supply line to the cold side of it. And all the water lines through here have been frozen, busted, or destroyed. This is the main water that comes through the floor here, and let's see if I get it to, well, nothing there. So I wonder if this valve down here holds. Yes. All right. But all the rest of this needs to be replumbed water line wise. So it's broke here. Got some type of hose connector here. Broke off, busted, froze there. There's a hole in the line there. I'm going to rig up something here to hook a water hose to. And then we'll check the drains. One other thing I'll show you. Okay, so outside the building here, there's a pit. And once I removed the grass and dirt, it is like a manhole cover. And if you give me a minute. It's got a lot of dirt inside of it. And here's the pipe that comes from the building into this other pipe. This pipe looks all right, but this one looks fairly clogged. So I'll get a shovel and stuff and clean it out the best I can. Okay, here's what I rigged up. Got the supply line coming out, going into a frost-free hose bib, and then a water hose from here, and then I got to run over into the drain. I want to go ahead and comment on this because I know someone else will. Why did I get such a long one? And I was thinking ahead that in another job I will have to have one fairly long to go through cinder block. Here at the hose bib, bottom of my hose, and I got it in the urinal here. And of course, the drain is shot as well. And I would say it is on this one too, but we already know that we're going to have new fixtures. So let's go out here and check in the manhole. So it is flowing through that drain. We'll check the other ones also. Alright, so testing from the far bathroom, and looks like we got a alright, so I'm working on the drain here with the plunger, see if I can get it to go. And looks like we got all kind of stuff down in there. Alright, so that's coming from the far sink to the manhole. So the drains are, I can't say that they're free and clear, but they are draining.